सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। मुझे लॉटरी लगी है, मेरे घर में मुझे ऑयल मिला है, सो आई एम वेरी रिच नाउ, लुक एट दिस। सो बट ओ, इट्स गॉन। वेयर डिड इट गो? सो एकदम से मैं अमीर से गरीब कैसे हो गया जबकि मेरे पास ऑयल था? दैट्स द स्टोरी आई एम गोइंग टू टेल इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑन डिमांड सीरीज एज समबडी डिमांडेड रिसोर्स कर्स। समझाइए सर। सो रिसोर्स कर्स, हियर इट इज। सो रिसोर्स कर्स इज प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्लेंटी। सो मेरी कहानी से ही शुरू करते हैं। मेरे घर में ऑयल मिला था, मुझे मेरी नेशन में ऑयल मिला था। सो अब इससे प्रॉब्लम, मैं एकदम से अमीर हो गया। सो अमीर हुआ, उससे क्या हुआ? माई नेशन बिकेम वेरी वेरी रिच। सो माई नेशन बिकेम रिच एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड investing in oil sector in my nation. That caused the Dutch disease. The Dutch disease I've explained in another video, so please refer to that if you don't know. So basically my export competitiveness is gone, manufacturing is slowing down. Then I have the lottery analogy in the dimensions. That means कि बहुत सारे पैसे थे एकदम से, where are they gone? गायब, because I didn't manage them well. कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर कर दिया, इन्वेस्टमेंट किया ही नहीं। देन लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट रेवेन्यू, दैट मीन्स एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू नाउ इन्वेस्ट इन लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट, दैट इज ऑयल सेक्टर इन माई नेशन। सो सबने ऑयल सेक्टर में इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, ऑयल सेक्टर में वेजेस हाई हो गई एंड वॉलेटिलिटी बढ़ गई इकोनॉमी में, बिकॉज अगर इंटरनेशनली ऑयल का प्राइस चेंज होगा तो मेरी इकोनॉमी एकदम से अमीर एकदम से गरीब हो जाएगी। सो उसको मैनेज करना वॉलेटिलिटी को बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा, राइट? सो and generally it is seen that nations which have lots and lots of natural resources are generally authoritarian regimes. For example, there are authoritarian regimes where you will find less democracy in Nigeria, in Libya. So these kind of nations are very resource rich, like Venezuela itself. But still, these nations have authoritarian regimes, lesser democracy, right? So where does the problem lie? So the problem lies in these dimensions. Because of the Dutch disease, because of the lottery analogy, low hanging fruit, and volatility, and authoritarian regime, what happens? The natural resources suddenly dry out and the money disappears. Now I'm poor. Now Venezuela is begging, fighting for money. So does it happen with every nation? Every resource rich nation is cursed. No, not always. There are other nations like USA, like Canada, which have managed well. They are very resource rich, still they are well developed and doing very well. So what are the solutions to this resource curse? If you have a resource, if your state like Jharkhand in India is full of resources, so what does it do? It follows Canada, US, and Norway. All of these are rich in resources but still not poor. So what are they doing? Forward-looking policies. Forward-looking policies. For example, Norway has made a cushion fund worth $900 billion. So whenever oil prices go low, they use that as a cushion to protect the economy. And whenever they go high, they fill it back. Next is diversification. Don't only allow oil sector to grow. Like Iran has done this very well. It gives free electricity to industrial sector. So manufacturing has not suffered even if Iran is very rich in oil resources, right? Then next is corruption control. Generally, where you have lots of natural resources, you have lots of corruption in the economy, corruption in the administration. So to control the corruption and ensure transparent policies and egalitarian development, not control of the few, you have to control corruption, right? Then how do you do that? You invest in public infrastructure. When you invest in public infrastructure like education, health, then you're actually using the natural resource to finance the development of the people. And when the people are educated, people are healthy, then they will form a resource for the country which will renew itself, right? So if you become an officer in the civil services, or let's say a public servant anywhere, you can use these solutions and help your cadre, help your state, help your nation, help your people. So then you'll have the money back, and you have to manage it safely. If it is not managed, it may disappear again, right? So again, Thank you so much for following. Any doubts, any problems, please mention in the comment section. I'll destroy all your doubts within the least possible time and simplify all the problems. If any problem still lies, any question still lies in this, please comment and I'll answer back your queries. Thank you so much.